All right, now I am at the consignment barn. Let's go in and see what they got. Well, I'm already inside. It's very cold and raining. I don't have too much time to spend because I really want to make it to Street of Shop's famous last words. Of course, the first thing I see is the Flamingo 75. Just kidding. Looks like things have kind of moved around since I was last here. Some really pretty Gone with the Wind lamps. This one though, the Tiffany style, is really interesting. Oh, the base is just the same as all the, oh my gosh, cat basket lamp. I don't know if the vendor I like still has a booth in here. And this is kind of a fabulous Joseph Originals piece. $30, that's probably a steal. I see it's got a broken leaf on it though. Cat dish. Huh, $7. That's cool, it's plastic. I've never really seen one. It's got some cracking in it. I like what's going on in here. Really color coordinated. That's kind of wild. It's over here though. Spaghetti Poodles, $20. The jam and jelly set, $25. Let's see, all payments. That might be a little close. Kind of love the pink poodle set. Is the flowers all there? It's not a bad price. It's a little bit closer than I'd like it to be. Let's keep going here. Ooh, 20% off, 35, dang. Yeah, that's a little close. I wouldn't want to break up that pair of cats. Fuzzy ceramic poodle. Oop, $19. That's about retail on that. The cloisonné deer is pretty neat, but that's at $30. Oh, I love this booth. Their prices are too close for me, but I can still stop and appreciate it. Well, I see this one. This is the vintage lucite with rhinestones. Let's see if all the stones are there. Wait, this is really fun. This is plastic. $20 though. Let's see, are all the stones there? They are that I see. For $5, I'll take that. All right, so this vendor used to be where that other vendor just was, which makes me wonder, are these finally on sale? I love these things, $40 for the pair. Is that right? Yeah, for $40 for the pair. Dang, I was kind of hoping they were gonna go on sale. I've been eyeing those for a while. Here's another one of my favorite costume jewelry booths. That's kind of fun. $2.75. I'll take that. And this one's wood, but it's really neat. $3. How do we feel about wood? I feel like I have a lot of wood bangles right now. I'm gonna leave it. Look at this. It's kind of fun. They're stones. $6. Malachite necklace. That's what I thought. $6, I'll take that. And let's see. Anything else we can't live without? This is one of those booths where you gotta look really carefully. Like, this is really fun. Is that glass? Vintage glass beaded necklace. Yep, that's what I thought. That's really neat too. For $4, I'll take that as well. And then what about this one? $3. Glass beaded necklace. It's kind of fun. Well, this caught my attention. Look at this. It's old new stock little replacement plastic flowers from Hong Kong. They all have their original paper tags on it. The whole bag is just $1, so I think I'm gonna grab that. That's kind of a crafter's dream there. What's that seahorse thing back here? Oh, it's not what I thought. It's contemporary. I kind of figured it would be. Too good to be true. I love that wood moon mirror. That's kind of fantastic, isn't it? Made in Indonesia. It's kind of... If it was a little bit smaller, I'd do it. I don't like shipping big stuff. Giant chocolate cat, speaking of the devil. So far, all that's really stopped me is the costume jewelry. I used to get pretty lucky here with a couple vendors, but Looks like they've been backing out more and more. Every time I come, they have less and less stuff in there. Here's a little taste of kitsch. I tell you, it's a lot of primitives these days. 30 bucks though. Well, I think that might be it. I'm gonna check out this pink glass basket first. I know glass baskets aren't really, yeah, 35. That's too much for me. All right, well, I guess I'm gonna go check out and head to Street of Shops. Dude, there's a giant jadeite hand there. $28, that seems cheap. I know it's repop jadeite, but still. I think I'm actually gonna grab that before I leave. And you know what, now that I have you here, my hand is pointing to the house glass for 10 bucks. I spent $57 in there. I'd say that was a pretty good buy. I'm off to my final stop for the day, Street of Shops. I will see you guys when I get there. Well, I see my first grab. It's the little vintage beaded necklace. That's only $2. That's a steal. And, oh, the one with the onyx and silver is $75. That is beautiful, but not exactly my price point. The metal anchor, meh, it's missing some. Oh my gosh, look at the duck with the googly eye. That's so great. And the heart one, I think that says, I can't tell what that says. I want to say it says $7. The double heart with the rhinestone. That's not bad either. Got the key. I like these candle holders. $30 for the pair. The clear swung glass like that really don't sell well. At least for me, I should say. I've seen some for like under $10, I swear, but the last couple I had sold for like anywhere from like 17 to 20 bucks. So with all the packing that it entails, it's not for me. Well, this is a first. Look at these Napco duck salt and pepper shakers. Unfortunately, they have a pretty big chip on the top of that one. I know it's probably not a big deal. If it was for me, I wouldn't think twice. I've never seen them before. They probably sell for good money, but at $25 with the damage, I'm a little hesitant. We found some cute stuff in this case now that I can remember. The little Josef Originals girl is adorable. She's at $15. I never did find my frog I bought from here. A lot of the stuff upstairs is super crafty. $12, dang. $15, yeah. Thought I'd better look just to make sure. Really like this. That's at $38 though. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick to downstairs. Wow, look at this cat tile. That is fabulous. Portugal, $20. Good grief. Oh, stressful. Yeah, for $20, I don't think I can do much with that. It's probably a little close. Kind of striking out so far, honestly. But downstairs is always where the treasures are. Hey, look. More of the hands. And reproduction jadeite, 1950. I love the tulip ones. 20 bucks. The glass hand's only 20. Might take that. I feel like that's kind of a win for that price. I love the reproduction cast metal Popeyes. They got the blue one too. The blue one's 25. The green one doesn't glow though. I feel like people are gonna want it to glow. I don't know. I'm feeling a little humdrum. My energy is low now that it's been cold, dark, and raining, and I haven't really found much. Oh my gosh, look at this little cupie. He is adorable. And that's an awesome size. Finally, something. Oh, he's got markings though. I wonder if a magic eraser would take that off. Oh, another strikeout. I knew it was too good to be true. I don't want to risk it. And then I'm like, what is this? Stuffed cat, $25. 10% off, so $22.50 in the original package. It's a rubber face. That could go either way. I'm nervous about starting it at $1 at my cat sale because this is a pretty specific item, but it's so good. rubber face plusher, one of my favorite things. I think I'm gonna get it. This is another booth. I found some fun stuff last time. See the acro agate planter, 14 bucks and 10%. I'm also seeing the fish. Those are only 5 bucks. Pink fish is a yes. And let's see, $14 and $1.50 off. $1.40 off, really. I think that's safe and it's really pretty. I'm trying to go over here to see what that donkey bank is. This is kind of fabulous, isn't it? $30 to $27. It's probably a little close. It's so good though. And then the poodle letter holder. How much is that? 10 bucks. Is it all intact? It is. I'll get that for 10 bucks. All right, now we're picking it up. I just needed like a shot of energy. Ooh, Sweet Shop. Oh, single shaker, but in a really good set. The little paperweights. What's this one? I like this style, but they're a little boring on the inside compared to the ones I've been finding recently. Look at this old Minnie Mouse wallet. Oh, it's not as old as I had hoped. I thought it was vinyl. This is me and Jocelyn's favorite shelf here. See this little cat? That guy's fun. $9.50. A little on the steep side, but I think it will be okay. He's a pretty great one. I'm going to get that. Kind of in the witching hour of the cat sale. More hands, $11. Need something to kind of balance out my cost average. $6.95. That's not bad. Viking compote. Ooh, I like that. $80. Dang, that is gorgeous. Hey, look, there's the Italian jar base. I have that with the top. I found it when I was with Dagny. It's a shame it doesn't have the top, then I could sell it. Mine has both, and I'm a little bit partial to it still at the moment. Everybody hold your breath. I see that they're $20, but please tell me these are not cracked, chipped, nor repaired. Wow, these are so good. I am also noticing $25 for the set of 3? No way. Now that's a good buy. And then these are Holt Howard. They are repaired though. $25 for 3. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, yes. I'm gonna get all of these, and I am actually gonna go ahead and pay up for these cat salt and pepper shakers. I know they're $20, but they look in really good condition and they're super desirable. I usually just see them in the dogs. The dogs ones sell for about $24. So I think that this is safe since they're cats. And on the harder to find side, I don't think I would lose money at least. And over here they got a lot of, oh my gosh, look at this funny thing. A lot of Easter. This is a really good one. How much is it? Napco 30. Yeah, it's got a little paint loss. This is so cute. 15 though. And they're all about what I'd get for them after fees. Look at him. He's fun. Ooh. Little blow mold guy. Come on. There you go. I think that's that. Wait. Oh my God. This is the find of the day. Hands down. Yes. Yes, yes. Please tell me this says $3. Score. 100% mine. And then here, that says 40. I thought it said, that said 10 at first. This is cute, this little box. Lots of Valentine's Day stuff on the more contemporary side. Look at these guys. Oh my gosh, how fun. I love the blow up ones. Even though I don't like selling them that much because I'm not trying to blow them up. And I can't tell if they like have holes in them or not unless you do. $10 each, that's not bad. My blow up stuff, I see it sell online for other people for good money, but it kind of flops with me. So I think I'm gonna leave them. What else is back here? Well, among the contemporary stuff, there was some hobbyist stuff mixed in. So I came in and then saw this. Is it cracked or just they're calling it a cracked egg? Because this is an awesome planter. Made in Taiwan, $8. I'll take that. Isn't that cute? Well, I spent $125 in there and I found this epic necklace. I am ready to hit the road and I will see you guys tomorrow at